Do you talk 19 to a gallon, to a dozen, to a gallon? Do you talk 19 to a dozen to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And this idiom is brand new to me. Never heard of it before, but I would suspect that I'm absolutely positively guilty of doing it. Not that it's guilty, but this idiom, it's really got an interesting origin. They're not sure of the exact origin, but they think it came from the New Common era of the 18th century. And it describes a Cornish bean engine that could actually pump 19,000 gallons from a 10 mile, which back then was just 12 bushels of coal. So 12 bushels of coal could pump 19,000 gallons of liquid, probably water or whatever else. Maybe they were panning for gold back then too. I don't know. My son-in-law likes to watch gold rush and gold excavator type shows. So does my daughter. It kind of cracks me up. But what it means is someone who talks really fast. So do you talk fast when it comes to supersizing and growing your business? Now, a lot of times people think talking fast is a bad thing, but really I think that it shows energy and that it shows commitment and passion toward what you're talking about. Everybody's different, right? Some people talk fast naturally. Some people speak slowly and deliberately naturally. Other people pace their language. It's an NLP technique for effect. You know, sometimes we whisper. You know, Russell Brunson, I just saw a video the other day where he's whispering in it, which kind of cracked me up. But he does everything for effect, right? He is the master marketer. And so he changes things up and tests things all the time. And that means sometimes we talk fast, sometimes we talk slow. I like people who talk regular because then when I watch their YouTube videos, I can speed it up and watch it on double time and I can get twice as much information in half the time. So I guess I like to listen fast as well as talking fast sometimes. So what does this idiom or expression mean to you? I got to admit, brand new to me today, so I haven't ever thought of it, but I will think about it today as I go about my day and pay attention to my pace of communication. We're focusing on communication and setting next year's communication goals as part of this year's annual challenge. So communication is top of mind, and that's why I selected this crazy idiom that I'd never heard of before. Love to know if you've heard of this before, if you know anything about Cornish bean engines, because I think it's fascinating. Not as an ex-engineer, I guess once an engineer, always an engineer. I find it fascinating that there was something that they called a bean engine. Maybe it was because of the shape. I don't know. I'm going to have to look into it now because I'm curious. And when I'm curious, I need to find things out. All right, have an awesome day. I'll, of course, see you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business? I say talk fast and build trust and find out what your customers want so that you can serve them to the best of your ability and make the world a better place. Have a great day. Bye. Another slow connection.